Hello, my name is Ben, and I'm here to talk to you about a computer program called Microsoft PowerPoint. And let's open it up. So this is how PowerPoint should look like when you open it up, or similar to it at least, if you're using an older version. So what I will be teaching you today is slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. So let's start off with, I guess, new slide. So new slide allows you to create a new slide, kind of obvious. So new slide makes a new slide. But as you can see, the second slide is different from this side because the first slide is a title slide. The second slide is just a normal slide, I guess. The title and content one. You can select which slide you want if you click the arrow over here, this area. You can select which one you want. Then we'll go on to layout. Layout allows you to choose the layout that you want for the slides. You can just do new slide, different layout. And I'm guessing, as you see, it does the same for all. So, next one is reset. So what reset would do is well, it should do, but so reset. What reset does is that it makes it back to everything back to its original size and stuff like that. Then section allows you to basically have a more organized slideshow if you want, but that's like if you want. I don't know anyone who does that, but if you want to, go ahead. The next is font. So for font, it's exactly like Word, but there is I'm pretty sure it's two new things that would be in here. So for this, they have the font, just like in Word and Excel, that you can change the font style. You can change the font size, do a quick increase, decrease, have a clear all formatting, bold, italics, underline, strike through, change case, and font color. The two new things that are in here is a text shadow, so it allows you to have the shadow to the selected stuff. As you can see, there's a little bit of shadow over there, like around here, that area. And then there's also character spacing. So you can make it you can make you can change the spacing of your words. And I'm just gonna leave it how it is, even though it looks very spacious. I'm gonna make it tight. Yeah, it looks normal, for me at least. And then for other ones, they have the bullets, they have the numbers, the numbering, they have increase and decrease, they have left alignment, they have center, they have right alignment, and then they also have justify. Now, they also have add and remove columns, so you can have two columns. See, two columns. And you can have a lot more columns, I'm guessing. You can decide how much columns you want. And then there's also the line spacing, which I've skipped. Then there's also text direction, so you can change the direction of which way the text goes. kind of obvious. And for the more detailed way of doing it, it's all this stuff. Then there's also align text. Align text means bottom. It's just like in Excel when they had that where that section where you can make it the middle, you can make it the top, you can like make it all over the place, I guess. Well, to be exact, it's middle, top, and bottom. Then there's convert to smart art. That's just for online stuff. I don't think older versions would have this, so I don't really need to get into this. And then now into drawings. So drawings, you can make a text box, line, arrow, and then all kinds of shapes. A lot of shapes, and a lot of shapes, like a lot of shapes. As you can see. And then there's also range. So if you had that, you can bring it to front, you can send it to back. When you send it to back, it goes behind everything. You could make it go in front. People usually like to make it go behind. So to the next one. There's also quick styles. Allows you to change the style. I guess you would call it style. Yeah, style. So style of the text box. And there's a lot. There's a variety. A lot. Like a lot. Okay. And then there's also shape fill. So you can just have a normal color instead of a style. You can also have the shape outline, which I would call border, and shape effects. You could turn it, or you can do all kinds of stuff with it. I haven't really used this or got in detail with this before, but you can give it a lot of stuff. You can give it reflection. You can give it a 3D rotation. And yeah, so then now we're done with drawings, we will go on to editing. So with editing, you, of course, you do the find, you do replace, and setting. Find allows you to search up words, so you would type in that, and then I would say, and then what? Doesn't make sense. There you go. So it found it. As you see, it just finds the text and stuff, and you would do it, and you would find next, find next, find next, until you like find whatever you want, and you can edit it, of course, and then replace. Basically, same thing, but you would do that, and you would be able to replace it with something else. So I'll say. There, and now it's replaced. See, I changed it. And then there's also select, which allows you to select objects, text, or slides. And that's it for this video. So If you want to see my other videos, which are Word, well, go see my other videos. Word, Excel, Publisher, Photoshop, and that's it. So, see you later, and keep on making PowerPoints. Bye.